Hi everyone, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. We help teams extract data from documents and emails in a few clicks. Let me show you how. The first thing that you need to know about Bitskout is we have a very large templates library. There are many things that are already done here, so you can use immediately in a few clicks. So let's say I am extracting data from purchase orders. You can just do a search and find the template. You can check what the template details are and even test it directly inside our tool. But what if we want to continue? So let's use this template and extract data automatically from purchase orders. And the tool we want to use is Monday, and it means we'll need to map data that we extract to the project in Monday. In this case, this project is called extracting data purchase orders. It's very easy to use. What you need to do is just to drag and drop fields from one place to another, from the left hand side to the right hand side where you have Monday information about Monday columns. Alright, so let's grab some fields, the basic ones, and that's it. Now you need to give plugin a name so we can find it, and that's it. Your purchase order extraction to Monday is ready. Now you need to use it in Monday, which is also very simple. We have special recipes here that you can use and trigger the extraction of the data on your files. In this case we used Monday, so let's find it. Here it is. So now every time the status is automatically changed, we extract data directly from this file. That's how easy it is to set up in practically a couple of minutes fully fledged data extraction from documents. So here we are, here is our data. Now what happens if you don't have a template? Well, you can easily create it yourself. You can go here, create, choose the file and just load one example. So let's load an example of a report from a maintenance company. Let's take a more complex example with the handwriting. What Bitskout does is it analyzes the file and tries to find all the typical field names that you use. And for that particular maintenance report form, we're gonna extract data that is related to a date, to an email, to a property address, and a tenant name. You can add more fields depending on your template. That's it. We're again in the same screen. Let's use Zapier. In this case, there is nothing to set up in Zapier because Zapier will allow you to map it automatically. And now you have report extraction with handwriting working. So let's test it to make sure it works and extracts what we need. So here we are. This is our data that we needed to extract. But let's take a more complex example. What happens if you want to extract data from something really difficult like emails? In this case, you also can go to extract, but this time you select text. And we have a special functionality called custom extraction, where basically we give an example. So let's give an example for an email. So let's give an example here. And suppose we are a travel agency and we want to extract data from these emails that we receive, and they all of course are very different. So let's add 3 fields. You can add more, of course, from, to, and dates. In this case, the Michael Smith is flying from London. And as you can see, it's in Spanish, but I'm telling the system exactly how it should be. And 1405. That's it. We have only one example added, but we basically told Bitskout what you want to do. Let's see. Again, the same thing, mapping. I will skip that. And it's called email extraction. Because everybody writes emails differently, there can be complications if you use standard tools. But in the case of Bitskout, Bitskout understands what you need to extract. So let's add an email which has a completely different way expressing about the same topic. Okay? And let's see what Bitskout can do. And as you will see, it will perfectly extract all the required information based on what you told it to do. And if you add more examples, the system becomes more intelligent and more accurate. So this is how easy it is to set up data extraction in your tools. Whether you use Zapier, Make, Asana or any other tool, you have everything in your hands to extract data right now and save time on manual data entry and focus on something really meaningful. And that is Bitskout. Thank you.